From the past few days, we have not been able to deliver any product or even replay any messages. As most of the people don't know about it, so they have ordered many products in our OES shop. Our country has been going through a very difficult situation since 5 days ago. Although our country got independence in 1971 through a bloody war, no government has run the country well since independence. In this country, full of corruption and irregularities, a party that runs the government gives jobs to the people of its party. And since there was only Bangladesh Awami League during the war, they sold this passion and used freedom fighter quota to give jobs to their party people. A few years ago, the government cancelled the quota system in the face of student protest. But recently, it was reopened by the court. Because of this, students' movement started. Since Sheikh Hasina has been in power for 15 years without a fair election, so he has recruited his loyal men into the law enforcement force. So this movement of students is hindered in various ways by the government. First, the students were killed by the police, then RAB, border guard, etc. At one point, the government deployed the army and imposed a curfew to protect important government sites. Everyone is being forced to stay at home by shutting down everything, including the internet, and arrested and killed many protesters in the dark of night. The situation is still not normal. Internet is working, but the speed of internet is very slow. We don't know when peace will return to our country and this barbaric politics of the country will change. From now on, we hope to be able to provide the same service as before since there was no alternative system due to the sudden shutdown of the network last time. But we will put an alternative system this time. So again, you can order in our shop and exchange your currency. Also pray for our country.